slime. Laundry detergent. Oops. Okay, yo, this might be the end of the video, but I'll continue it and like finish it, start off in another video. So like when it ends, I'm sorry. Video might be getting to end. So like when it like starts sticking, if y'all want a tutorial how to make it, I don't know if you caught how I was making it, but if y'all want a tutorial, just tell me and I'll make a video of that for like later. See? Oh, and go follow my YouTube channel, my Snapchat.
It's the weekend.
No, my Instagram, KingSnake23.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat, highest floor of the Bowery,
And
somewhere along the lines, we stopped seeing eye to eye, you were seeing down night, and I had enough. No, I don't wanna know where you've been or where you're going, but I know I won't be home, and you'll be on your own.
but if I get at least 10 likes on this video, I will make more slime videos. Okay? 10 likes on the video for more slimes. And go find my Snapchat video. No, not my Snapchat video. This is like my third YouTube video. So like I might not be that good, but yeah.